So just applying this liquid clear. Right, there we go. Indian yellow here, just a spot. Let's go somewhere over here. Just a splash of that Indian yellow there. Just a touch of crimson. We can go around here, over there. Them together a little bit, just halfway between. And let's go into that yellow a little bit around here. So I've got some phthalo blue. Violet, a little bit of violet colour. Okay, some phthalo green. I'm going to go into some green here. Phthalo blue, here. Let's go around here. Bring that across there. And straight into this violet colour at the end. There we go. Just put a load of that on there. And again, just pull that into the blue. There we go, we've got lots of colour on there. There's Bob. There's Brenda. Okay, so we're going to have white now, okay? Let's do some big clouds. Just some little ones there. I'm going to go something like that. Just fluff these out. Sort of northern lights coming through behind this. So we can sort of... We could have one... Let's just pull this up. So you can do whatever you want to do. Like, just add a little bit more. There we go. I'm going to use my fluffing brush as well in a moment, I think. Okay, that's coming together now. I'm going to go like that. Let's do a nice bright spot as well. Just a bit of a bright area around there. I'm going to come back with them clouds and do some highlights and stuff in a moment. With this white again. And just go over some of them tops there. Blend them in. Blend and blend and blend. Just a hint of black from what I'm thinking. There we go, look at this. You see that? Blue, black in there, greyish. I'm going to make some mountains with this. Around here. Just sort of bring this in wherever this may go. Yeah, do go and check out the website, everyone. And I've got some exciting news. If I didn't say already, I've teamed up with a paint supplier called Meaden. So any art supplies that you want, I've got a unique, exclusive 10% discount code off everything on their website. If you need some paints, some oil paints, acrylics, and easel, all that kind of stuff. If you go on my YouTube, I've got that set up on there now, but literally all you got to do is just put Visualfusions as a code in the checkout. Well, using the same brush, we're just gonna just pull this colour down. The same brush that we used to put everything on earlier. We're gonna go something like this. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of crimson. Some yellows in there. Let's go something like this. This one might be in front, so I might just sort of come down to about there. Just want to drag some of that down. Come up with something like that. Want some rocky feels to this. I want a lot of mist on these mountains. Bring this down. Let's go something like this, like a thingy of mist. Another line of mist there. There we go. Just a little swirl. There we go. To make a dark colour, and we did some distant trees. Just playing about with some colour tonight. Just go somewhere like that. Just even just tap that on, just pull some of them up there. Look, got all them little tree things going on there. So start here, just pull this down. I think I'm gonna have water right up here, but I'm doing it if I want it, right? Just pull this down. Now we're going to go across here and look, keeping it proper straight. I love this. Just going to make a little water line, I think. Do a little water line across here. Let's just knock off all these colours. Somewhere like this. Big bit here. Okay, dark brown, I think. Let's do this. Let's just bring a bit of a... Just try to make some cliffs, basically. It's burnt sienna. See what happens. Adding all the green on it and stuff like that. I think I'm going to go somewhere like that. Dark on there in some places, especially down here. He's up down here. Let's just come across here like this. Just push up here, we do some little flicky things there. Blue, the yellow together. Okay, let's go here. I'm gonna come back, leave some dark areas. Okay. Just here, we're a little bit closer. I'm gonna come and put all these things growing in there. Don't forget to check out the website, guys. Loads of paintings on there for sale. I've reduced some prices, you know, free UK postage, ship worldwide. Look at all this beautiful grass going on. Let's have a bit more yellow, maybe some yellow. This is brilliant. There's so much more views. Thank you, I appreciate that. I came late, wish I saw you do the mountains. Oh, make sure you come and follow me on YouTube. You'll see every single live that I've ever done, which is 316. You can watch every single one back, yeah. Just some little things here and there. Just to lighten that area up. Quite relaxing, isn't it? Dark in places. Look at all that. That's crazy, isn't it? Pull some of this colour down. Some of that colour that's there as well. Some dark, some light. Make some little coves in there too. Let's do it down here. Going in and out there. There's some sap green in with everything we got on the board. Let's do one here. Just lives there. There he is. He's a little slight lean to this one. And art. And this one is for sale tonight, of course. If anyone's interested, just let us know. Let's bring this one just a little bit closer. Let's go about there. Do a tall one, just poking through here. Look at that. Just some little twigs that you might, some tree trunks that you might see popping through. Okay, here we go. Nature's Prism. Here's my signature. Very, very colourful. I like the break of sky. I do like the break of sky. Don't forget, check out the website, come and follow me on YouTube, etc, etc. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.